Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Woo, Ian, let me tell you, it's been real hot these days.
Oh yes, it is outside.
I don't know what is going on with this weather and this temperature out here, but this climate control needs to get under control.
Yes, it does.
So we need things to kind of like cool us down. I got myself this new fancy ice cream machine. By the way, guys, it is not sponsored, but I will tell you, if you can get it, you will save a lot of money in the long run. And there's nothing like making your own ice cream. You know what's going into it. But I will say this to you: ice cream.
You scream.
We all scream for ice cream. Oh, I have so many different flavors here. Some keto-friendly ice cream here, some regular ice cream here. We're gonna have a good time eating ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're gonna do our base. And the base is really simple with this machine. All you need is a tablespoon of cream cheese. You just need a cup of milk. And you need, I put 2 teaspoons of vanilla or whatever extract you want to use. It could be strawberry, pistachio, whichever you want to use. And you need 3-4 cups of cream. And you can use monk fruit for your keto friendly, which I have in some of these bases here, which will not raise your glycemic index. Or you can use cane sugar, which I have right now here. And it is 3/4 cups of cane sugar. So I am going to show you how to do this. I have one. These are all made already, but just to show you how to use this machine, I have everyone already hooked up to the machine. Super fast. I will tell you, the only downfall to using this Ninja machine is that your base has to sit literally for 24 hours. You cannot make this ice cream. It will not come out well if you try to do it before 24 hours. It has to literally sit for 24 hours. All right, so we're gonna put our cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. This is 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of cream. Okay, here we go. 3/4 cup of
Sugar.
cane sugar.
Cane sugar, there you go.
Okay. And last, vanilla extract.
Vanilla
Okay,
extract.
this is my 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Teaspoon, sorry.
Teaspoons.
That's it, done. So your base is basically done. And this is why 24 hours from now, if you want to add fruit or candy, whatever you want to add to it, you do it once it's set for 24 hours. So right now you can't add any of that,
right,
but you're flavoring. So that's done. So now let's play with our toy. Here's our vitamin content. So just turn on our power button and we're gonna hit ice cream. Now, if you're doing things that are like somewhat sugar-free, you would hit the light ice cream. Or like when I was doing the yogurt, because it's a different consistency, I hit the light ice cream, and plus I had used monk fruit in that. It wasn't like regular sugar. Other than that, you hit ice cream, and it's gonna go through these motions here. It'll be done in like 3 minutes. Almost done.
Yeah.
You're excited, huh?
Just like
Look at all this great ice cream.
Mama's gadgets.
Look at all of this great ice cream. And you can make healthy ice cream. It's done. Your ice cream is already done.
Wow.
So now we're gonna push this button over here. There's a button on the side to help bring it down.
All right.
Okay, I kind of have to be kind of doing stuff with it. Yeah, so basically you turn it to your right to lock it, and you turn it to your left when it's done. And then now you take this, there's a lock right here. You click that for your lid. And you have it open. It's a little softer than I would have liked for it to be, but you can drink it as a shake if you want. But basically you get the concept. All of this was done here, and this is all like ice cream that's solid. And here are a list of ingredients. Let's enjoy some spinach strawberry ice cream. Come on deck. Come on deck. Some avocado blueberry. Come through cookies and cream. Come through some coffee ice cream. Oh yeah, let's get the chocolate and raspberry and white chocolate. Oh, we gotta get that low fat keto coconut berry ice cream there. And what about our precious vanilla bean and pistachio? My favorite with my maple bacon. Woo!
God bless you.
Ice cream, we scream, we all scream for ice cream. Woo! Okay.
Oh, let's start with the pink one.
I'm gonna start with my maple bacon.
I knew that. Strawberries delicious.
Oh my gosh. You truly taste the maple. You taste the bacon pieces. My next favorite is, of course, pistachio.
Wow. Better than any Chinese restaurant I've ever had. You know that? All the Chinese restaurants I've eaten, you killed it.
Thank you.
Yes, you did.
My melting cookies and cream, but that's
All right.
okay.
Great, it's fine with me. Wow.
Get
You
some
taste-
coffee in here.
Yeah, you can taste it.
Get my little coffee.
Wow, Mom.
Told you.
Excellent. Excellent.
You don't want to go buy the little
No.
container. Strawberry.
I'm in heaven with your coffee.
Look at
Seriously.
you.
Now,
That's good.
you told me about this one for a long time.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it.
The avocados. Let's go for it.
No, that's the spinach.
Oh, this is spinach?
That's a spinach
Where's
ice
the
cream with
avocado?
strawberry.
Which
That's
one was
next
the
to it.
Next to it? Okay, yeah.
See the spinach pieces, guys? Got spinach pieces right here. I know you think that's weird, but tastes good, right?
You would never think.
Made with keto, made with monk fruit.
How many times have you told me about this one right here? Here it is.
Tell me it doesn't taste good. Doesn't it taste like it's low fat, doesn't it?
Wow.
Yeah, Ian.
Wow.
Put some respect on my name, Ian Sokoloff.
You definitely got
Call
it.
me Chef Fran for a reason.
Yes, they do.
And now, if you're an avocado lover, which I do and Ian does too, this is your treat here. Also made with monk fruit. It's avocado blueberries.
Yeah.
You taste the avocado. You taste the blueberry. Just the right amount of sweetness. Let's do our frozen yogurt. With the berries. That's the coconut frozen yogurt. Where's that for you in your plate? Right there.
Yeah, I just had that. It's intense.
Taste the coconut.
Yeah, I can
Taste the
taste it,
berries.
yeah.
Taste the fact that it's yogurt. Greek yogurt. And try my chocolate, which I know you kind of hidden in here, but
The vanilla bean's incredible.
that chocolate's nice. Not bitter.
Wow.
I'm telling you guys, you will not regret if you get this Ninja Creamy.
Perfect.
If you have children who love ice cream, you know exactly what they're putting in their bodies. I mean, all this stuff is like fresh, homemade. You hear what I'm talking about? Spinach, strawberry, avocado, blueberry. So this is fresh, homemade stuff. Very basic base. So again, it's not sponsored. I want you to know I'm speaking straight from my heart. I've done this myself. Even though this is melting, I'm going to eat my ice cream, honey. Thank you again, guys, for hanging out with Ian and myself today. For eating ice cream with us.
Yes.
Don't forget to hit the like button by giving us a virtual hug.
Please.
When you do that, that lets Ian and myself know what new ice cream flavors that we're going to come up with for you the next time.
Big time.
But you got to subscribe. And you got to hit the like button. And you got to share.
Sharing is caring.
Love you.
Love you too.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.